Backslashes in Python strings can bite you. Raw strings are the solution. In Python, regular strings treat backslashes as escape characters. Backslash becomes a new line, backslash becomes a tab. Prefix a string with R, and Python treats every backslash literally. No escaping happens. So in a string with backslash and stays as two characters, a backslash and the letter N. You can use lowercase r or uppercase r. Either works. Regex is where raw strings matter most. Regular expressions use backslash for patterns like backslash for digits or backslash w for word characters. In a normal Python string, you'd need to double every backslash to escape the escape. With raw strings, you write patterns exactly as the regex engine expects. One backslash, no double escaping, and much more readable code. Windows file paths are another classic use case. In a regular string, a path with backslash and has a hidden bug. It becomes a new line character, not a folder separator. With a raw string prefix, every backslash is literal, making path handling straightforward and safe. One caveat. A raw string cannot end with an odd number of backslashes. The parser cannot determine where the string ends. Use concatenation or a regular string in that case. Use raw strings to avoid backslash confusion, especially in regex and file paths. Try rewriting a regex pattern with raw strings today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.